Guys, I am Rakesh. Today I am discuss file handling in C language. Okay, this video continue watch. I am start now. File handling. This type of programming we can perform different types of operation on file and operation result is stored in the file permanently. Okay, file handling two types, text file and binary file. Now about text file. Okay, text file. Now this type of file can be created using notepad or other simple editors. Okay, and the extension of text file is .txt, and this file contains simple text. Binary file about now. The extension of binary file is .bin. Okay, text file .txt and no, binary file .bin. Okay, the this file contain information in the form of binary code 0 or 1, and it is not readable. Okay, binary file binary number is called 0 and 1. Okay, and binary extension name .bin and notepad extension name .txt. Okay, and next, operation on file: opening file and closing file, reading from file and writing into file, appending data into file. Okay, and now about here operation on file. This type of operation perform file handling in. Okay, and next, mode of operation file handling. Okay, file mode of R add, addition, and W addition symbol, and this type of operation different type of. R, it is open the existing text file or reading purpose. If the file does not exist, f open function return null. Okay, and R addition symbol with it opens an existing text file or reading and writing purpose. If the file does not existing, f open function return null. Okay, and W file mode, it opens a text file for writing purpose. If it does not existing, then a new file is created. If the file existing in constant overwriting writing. Okay, and W addition symbol with file mode, it opens a text file for writing and reading purpose. If the does not existing, then a new file is created if the file existing is content or overwritten. Okay, and a file mode it is used to open text file. In writing a appending mode, if the file does not existing, then a new file is created. Okay, and a addition with symbol a addition is a file mode. Okay, it used to open a text file in writing and reading appending mode. If the file does not existing, then a new file is created. Okay, this table through understanding file mode of file mode operation performed in file handling. Okay, and next, some important function of file handling. Okay, I am understanding here. Function name: f open, f scanf, f printf, f close, get c and put c. Okay, f open function perform, it is used to open a text file on given path. And second, it has two parameter path where file is created and mode of operation. Example are for reading or writing. For writing, f function, f open function, this is used for reading and writing. For use f open function use. Okay, and f scanf function, it is used to scan the text file. It acts like an scanner. It is a reads and set of data from file. This function f scanf function only used for scan and reads data file. And f printf, Printf is used to print of information or data on output screen for and second fprintf is used to print information or data into the file. You already know printf function used in C programming coding. In printf function used for your when program execute, after that your message print for this printf function used. And okay, and here fprintf function used print information data into the file. Okay, this is very important paragraph line. Understanding fprintf is used to print information or data into the file. Okay, and it has also two parameter, file and message, which is to be printed. fclose function. Okay, fclose function, it is a predefined function which is used to close the file. And getC and putC, both different understanding very clearly. Okay, it is used to get a character from file, and putC, it is used to write a character to a file. GetC, it is used to character from file, and putC, it is used to write a character to file. Okay, this video write into the file. When you file handling write your program, then note before some message here, note before the extension of this program, go to C drive and create a temp folder if it does not exist. Okay, and here program file handling. Okay, include studio and into main function, and open curly braces, and file, this is always file is capital. Okay, and here path of f open function here apply, and fprintf function and fcloseup function. Here I am already discussed some function here, the work f open, f scanf, f printf and f closeup, getC and putC, this function used. Okay, and then understanding and reading from file here, understand. Okay, then printf function, fclose function. Okay, then output your after compiling your execution the program, this message is print. Okay, here fprintf function, hello friends, how are you? Okay, when here f open file writing only mode. Okay, and second reading mode, that is writing mode, and here reading from file. When you have file handling with function reading from file any, then this type of function apply, f open. Okay, f open function, and f gets printf. Okay, now this video for watch your concept is clear. Okay, thanks for watching my video.